Are you an investor looking for premium market opportunities? Presenting premium and exclusive service for investors by Kalkai.
Good morning, I'm Sage. Thanks for joining me on Kalkai TV for the ASX buzzing stocks of the day. The Australian share market opened on a negative note. As of 29th November, 10:40am Sydney time, the S&P ASX 200 was lower, dropping 0.31% to 7,206.4, while the ASX All Ordinaries was also lower, dropping 0.32%. On the other hand, the volatility index, the AVIX, was up sharply, gaining 2.42%. As of 10:40am Sydney time, sectors were trading mixed. 7 of 11 sectors were lower, along with the S&P ASX 200 index. Consumer staples is the best performing sector, gaining 0.44%. In today's opening trading session, the gainers were Fisher & Paykel Healthcare Corp up by 8.59% and Pilbara Minerals up by 3.85%. On the other hand, the decliners were Collins Foods down by 13.85% and Healius down by 6.44%. Fisher & Paykel Healthcare Corporation today announced its results for the first half of the 2023 financial year. For the 6 months ended 30th September 2022, total operating revenue was $690.6 million, while revenue was down 23% on the first half of the prior year. The company reported net profit after tax for the first half being $95.9 million, a 65% decline in constant currency. The company reported a 35% decline in hospital operating revenue to $438.7 million as well. They also added that its directors have approved an increased interim dividend of 17.5 cents per share. The interim dividend, carrying full New Zealand imputation credit, will be paid on 21st December 2022 with a record date of 9 December 2022. In commenting upon the results, Lewis Gradon, Managing Director and CEO, said consistent with what they signalled in August, the first half revenue was down on the corresponding prior period as they lapped significant COVID-19 driven demand. Compared to pre-pandemic levels, this represents solid growth. The company expects the second half revenue for the 2023 financial year to be higher than the first half. Fisher & Paykel shares traded at $20.88, up by 8.75% as of 10:50am Australian Eastern Daylight Savings Time. Next, Santos advises that a small gas leak has been identified in a subsea flange on the main gas trunk line from the John Brooks platform offshore Western Australia to the Varanus Island gas processing facilities. The observation of the leak occurred during routine activities on the normally unstaffed facility. The platform and pipeline were immediately shut down and depressurised, and all personnel were demobilised. The company said that it has notified all relevant regulatory bodies and is working with customers and other parties to manage gas supply arrangements while the leak is repaired. The company expects that the repairs will take approximately 4 to 6 weeks to return to full production. And Santos shares traded at $7.18, down by 0.96% as of 10:50am Australian Eastern Daylight Savings Time. Collins Foods lastly reported that statutory profit from continuing operations was $11 million for the half year ended October 16, down by $15.4 million on the previous corresponding period, while revenues for the half year stood at $614.3 million, being up 15% from the previous corresponding period. The company said that the net cash flow from operations reflected in the statutory consolidated statement of cash flows of $69.1 million is $3.2 million lower than the prior comparable period. And cash flow from investing activities was a net outflow of $36.7 million, reflecting investment in the existing network and the building of new restaurants and one acquisition in Australia. The company has also declared a fully franked interim dividend of 12 cents per share, payable on 29th December 2022. Collins Foods shares traded at $8.60, down by 14.34%. That was current at 10:50am Australian Eastern Daylight Savings Time. All right, hope your day in trading goes well, but that's all for this edition of the ASX Buzzing Stocks for the day. Plenty more announcements are made throughout the day. You can catch them on the ASX website directly. And if you need to watch this again, it'll be up on Kalkai Media's YouTube channel. Please keep watching for more market insights and business news. Sage signing off for now.